Ni mieri 3 tu kuuma thirikari ehetukie watho wa kurenga igoti na gicunji kia 35 harĩ igana kuma kuri kambuni cia guthithia kamari guuku bururi-ini thenge ya kambuni cia uigithia guteta makiuga ni njira ya kunwo moko. Gukire uguo thirikari ni hinyiririe murugamo wayo wa kwaga kuguagwa na kuguithia igoti riri. Ndumiriri iri irekereirio ni Kamitii ya mbunge iramataga ruhonge rwa mathako hindi ya giikaro na ruhonge ruheani wa marua kuri kambuni cia guthithia kamari guuku bururi-ini.
Come with a proposal that most of these taxes emanating from gambling, because it's actually a sport of some sort, should be able to be diverted or channeled to the sports ministry, so that we can be able to deal with the 70% of Kenyans who are actually the youth, so that we can be able to build stadia. We can also be able to actually sponsor sporting activities and bring up actually talents, and we can make Kenya a sporting industry.
Oho muikariri giti wa Kamitii no Victor Munyakani ahithuritie mubango wa gucenjio kwa watho wa ciuthi cia kamari uria wigite ni ukunyihanyihia gutherema gwa ciuthi icagi-ini na matauni-ini.
Be able to meet also the stakeholders and the players and the operators, and then eventually come with a new law altogether, so that we can be able to be modern and more prepared to deal with the gambling menace in Kenya.
Gukinyiria riu thirikari ikoretwo ikirutithia wira watho ria wendekithirio mwaka-ini wa 1966 na kuringana na anyitite mihonge-ini cia mathako ni ubatie kumurikwo weru. Ngiribotera Kamiti TV haro-ini, njitagwo mwihaki wa Ndogo.